In this quick video, I'll show you how to add captions to YouTube videos. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So to add captions, firstly we need to go to our YouTube studio. For that we can click on our channel icon, then click on YouTube studio. After that our YouTube studio will be open and then we need to go to our content and now select the video you want to add captions. I want to add captions for this video. For that I will click on details and then we just need to click here which says subtitles. It is an alternate word for caption. I will simply click here and then we can simply add or edit subtitles of our video, or you can say captions of our video. For that I just need to click on this icon. If you don't see this, then you just need to click on add language and add the language which is used in your video. I have added the language already, you can see it here. Then we just need to click on this pencil icon which says add. Now you can see these are the methods you can use for uploading captions for your video. First method is upload file, in which we can add our captions file to our video. For that we just need to click here. Then we can see these options which says with timing or without timing. If you have your file with timings, then you can select this option, or if you don't have timing, then we can simply click on this without timing option. Your caption file must be in SRT format or TXT format and then we can upload it. But if you don't have your timing, then your file must be in TXT format. Otherwise you just need to click on with timing and then we can simply click on continue. I have this caption file which is SRT file. Then I can click on open and now you can see my captions are uploaded for my video. And we can also delete unwanted caption here and we can simply zoom it out. So this is the way you can add captions for your video. This was the first method. I can simply click on publish to publish these captions for my video. I will simply click on it and now you can see my captions are published and my captions will be published for my video. I will simply delete this for now and I will show you the second method. Second method is auto sync, in which if you don't have timing for your captions file, then we can use this auto sync feature which will automatically sync your text with your video timing. So this was the second method. And third method is type manually. We can use it. I just need to click on here just like so and then we can simply add our captions for our video manually. I will simply type here in this video, then I just need to play my video and I will simply pause it here. And if suppose I said here I will show you, then I will simply type here I will show you. Then we just need to repeat this process. I will simply play the video, pause the video and add the text which I said in my video. And to save it we can simply click on publish. Fourth method is auto translate. We can use this method for having different languages for our video captions, but to use it we must have published captions in the original video. If you don't have original captions, then we can't access this feature. So to use it, firstly we need to upload captions for our video. I will simply re-upload this file and then I will click on open and I will simply publish it. After that we can click on add language and we can select any language we want to add. I will simply select here Arabic and then we can simply go to edit section and I will click on auto translate and now you can see I have successfully translated my English captions to Arabic. So to use it we must have our original captions file uploaded for our video and then we can simply click on publish. And now you can see I have 2 languages captions for my single video. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching.